So do I.
You should be right, should be pretty right.
Jason here, did you see? Not yet.
So this is the big day.
Over there.
It's
Yeah,
the
he's sitting over
29th.
there. Yeah, okay.
I've just driven about.
So where were we at that we needed to upgrade or check
Well, I've got
on
the
the
list.
static stuff? We've
I've
got
got
all
the
that.
list of what you wanted looked at.
Okay.
We can do that when you're ready. Yeah.
There's Gim, former camera woman, camera person.
No, I'm glad. You know, did Linda tell you
Yeah,
that we were filming this at night in the garage? Now our garage is just not very big, and she lost it
she
in the
loves.
Zoom. She lost it on the Zoom in the garage at home.
And with the little lights flashing as well for there. We got Trevor there, we got Adrian. And I got lost from the airport. I was lucky to find the place.
Have you seen the detail, Trevor?
Oh, it's amazing. Look, there's a fishing magazine in there.
Did you see the fishing tips? Look, he actually reduced that down. He actually reduced
The
it
famous
down.
grass?
On the copy, yeah? There's famous grass. He reduced the label down.
I'd say that.
And the courier mail.
It's a little
He's even got a little loop
a
paper.
roll of loop paper.
Fresh eggs?
Fresh eggs, yeah.
Fresh eggs.
Yeah, we've done that.
Yep. Right. So the fuel is 800 grams. So empty is minus 800 grams.
Yeah.
Now, with my battery combinations, I've got 3 sets of batteries. I've got 3800s, 4000s, and this one, the 4900s.
Yeah.
The heaviest is 8.
Kim's making sure that I'm doing the videoing here, Mike. And there's a little red thing that says rec there. Hopefully that doesn't mean W-R-E-C-K,
Oh, I
rec.
don't think I've switched mine on. Does it say ring all the time?
It's got to
3. Four, 5.
This footage might be used by the aviation authorities in some later date, Mike.
Investigation.
It's an investigation.
5.
Do you want me to switch it off right now? Do you want me to stop videoing so you don't have any evidence?
Sunglasses on the coke. We got a mic.
Right, we're going to do a test on the undercarriage.
Have we got air? Have we got air?
Lance, does it take a while?
It just boots up quickly and then...
Okay. Wheels down.
It's okay, hang on. There you go.
Geez, I've got a suck in my tummy.
There you go. Perfect.
Wait. Okay, right, it can come plunk it on the ground. Oh, we'll plunk it down there.
Put on there, okay?
Yeah.
It's all right now. We're not going to do anything. Okay, let's up that ladder.
That's on the switch.
Okay, now let's just run the motor. Just a quick hit the motor.
Okay.
I'll hold the phone for you.
Okay, everyone clear?
Clear prop. Let it go. Now brake. Right, okay. Right, switch motor
You
off.
want fail safe?
Yes, please. Put the motor
On.
up, on.
Yeah, and then fail safe is motors off, everything neutral, but flaps half down.
Okay.
Fail safe, okay,
So
so,
the motor's going.
and I've got a bit of this, so I'm going to turn in, alright? I'll get under and move it. Hang on, no, you can't push it, you gotta lift it.
That's it. Zero, mate. I got.
We're gonna, with this battery, we're gonna be about 13 millimeters forward of that middle mark. And which way? Let me hop in and I'll get it. Just hold there, just hold it. Hold the weight. Okay, let's switch the motor off now.
No, we're up there. I want
No,
to turn it off now. Save the battery power.
I'm just on the final chest
So
and
you can
text.
turn it off now. And we're basically ready to go.
Oh, fantastic.
What we need to do now, what you need to do, is to sit down with Jason and familiarise him with what these switches do and how they work and why they work, because otherwise he'll get in here going to you, what happens here, and he'll go, what the fuck, and it could be all over, so I don't want that.
No, we're good to go.
Okay.
19.
How long it takes to use these things.
Here you go. I'm going to go down. Now go up again. Getting about 25 there, down. Hang on, let me get it right. Down. 19. I've got a bit more up. I think I did that on purpose. Okay. I like a bit of up. Are you happy with that? 19. I've got a bit more up than down. Yeah.
Right, this is it.